So this is my review on this camera lens kit that I bought, and I have to say I absolutely love it. It is super awesome. So inside, this is what you get. It comes with 3 different lenses. The first one here is the 20 times zoom lens, which is really cool to use to get those up close shots from a distance. These are pictures that I took of my dog, and I was about 30 feet away when I took them. So next is going to be this wide angle camera lens, and this one is really nice to get those wide shots. Right here, this is just a picture of my deck, and then this is with the wide angle, so you can see that it just captures so much more. Here's a picture of my property, and here's with the wide angle, and so that is really neat. You can also unscrew this, and what you're going to get is a 25 times zoom, so you can get those really up close shots. So these are some shots that I took using that lens. And then next is going to be the Fisheye camera lens. And this one you can use to really get those goofy shots. Just more pictures of my dog using that, so that's really cool. It also comes with a manual that teaches you how to use all the lens, how to connect them, and then it comes with some questions at the back there. And then it also comes with a little cloth that you can use to wipe off the lens. So this is a stand that you can actually mount your phone onto, and this is a really neat stand because it actually bends, as you can see, so you can adjust it to any type of surface to make sure that you're getting the most stable shot possible. And then this you actually connect onto that little tripod thing, and then this right here you just slide your phone on, and then these you can use to screw right onto it, as you can see. So moving on to the last piece, you actually have to take off your phone case to apply this, but this is what you will actually connect the lens onto, so you can use it with your phone camera here. And so you just slide that right on there. You want to make sure that you line it up so that the camera is right in the center of that, and then from there you can screw on the lens and then just tighten that up to make sure that it's all secure. So overall, I have to give this a 5 out of 5. I never knew that I would need lenses for my phone until I tried this out, and it's super easy to set up, super easy to use. It creates impressive shots. I also have to give a massive shout out to customer service. I mean, customer service for this company is amazing. So that's my review of the product. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a cheap, affordable, high quality lens kit